we're about to try what? What's that? Yeah. Well, we're having fun today and we're about to try Amy's. So they're supposed to have a lot of vegan and vegetarian options here. If you look in your local grocery store in the freezer section near the Beyond Meat and all that stuff, there are Amy's frozen meals in almost every grocery store. I believe this is this the first Amy's? Yeah, this is the first like original Amy's. So I just ordered at Amy's, and so indeed everything is vegetarian here and everything can be veganized. So I ordered a veggie sausage pizza, veganized. And after I ordered, they gave me this buzzer and told me to come outside. And I'm supposed to go inside once this buzzer buzzes, go collect my food, and then I'll have to come back outside because of the social distancing, and this is after COVID restaurant eating. And I've noticed each restaurant has their own rules and it varies quite a bit, so I'm going to be trying to pay attention to that a lot when I'm going to the different restaurants. It's interesting. Oh, you can't tell right now, it's all closed off. I ended up getting a large iced tea, and they gave me these sweeteners here because I don't really use sugar in my drinks. And I ordered the vegan sausage pizza. So let's check it out. Let's see how I can open this. Okay, that looks good. That looks super yummy. And of course, like if you don't like tomatoes and onions or something, you can tell them not to put it. But to me, looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and dive in now. Hey. I want to get a vegan burger.
Single or double patty?
Double.
Okay, and with grilled or raw onion?
Grilled.
Okay. Anything else?
Fries. That's it.
Okay, nothing to drink for you?
No.
Okay, so a fry and a vegan Amy with grilled onions will be $10.31 at the window. Can I have a name for the order?
Laura.
Great, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy.
Thanks, you too. You too? Well, I hope she's gonna eat and enjoy too. Their chocolate is pretty good. Like chocolate, like pieces of chocolate, or what? Yeah. So glad you are here. Shortage of coins. Oh yeah, I've been kind of seeing that. Sweet potato fries. Those look good. We should have got those. And they're hiring. So, is it Santa Rosa?
Rohnert Park.
What?
Rohnert Park.
Rohnert Park. Come work here and you can eat vegan food and be happy. What that is? Water? What are those?
Chocolate bars.
Oh, that's what you're talking about. They have plenty of outdoor seating. I thought they only had on that side. Check it out. Like all on this side, there's umbrellas and stuff. This looks absolutely delicious. It looks like Thousand Island sauce, or I was gonna say French dressing, but no, that's like Thousand Island sauce, pickles. I chose grilled onions, and you don't have to get onions. Looks like some kind of vegan cheese and just that vegan patty I never tried. So, yay! Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Your Vegan of Love.